So you can actually use this oil for any type of hair. You can use it for afro kinking hair. You can use it for a relaxing hair. You can use it for a straight hair, like hair for any type of your hair, guys. It's really gonna help. Oil cools down, then you can separate the oil from the rest. So this is basically how my oil is looking, guys. This oil is smelling so good. It smells so good, like I just feel like, I can't eat this, but so after streaming the oil, and I'm going to be adding some other powerful oil into it, and I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of aloe vera oil, and then I will be adding another 1 spoon of Jamaica black castor oil. So in this point, you can add any oil of your choice. Just mix them together and your oil is ready to use. Guys, if you are really looking for a very powerful hair growth oil, this oil is for you. Give it a try. You can massage your scalp with this oil every time. If you have a braid, you have a cornrows, or you just feel like massaging this oil, just massage this oil into your scalp every day for a better result. So this is how my oil is looking. It's ready to use, and I love the oil. It smells so good. This oil is very, very powerful. It has been helping my hair to grow and strengthen my hair. So all these homemade remedy that I am giving in my channel, they are really, really working, guys. I can't lie you, they are working really good. They are helping my hair to grow, my baby girl's hair to grow as well. Like,